Dear students, welcome to Divya's Math Solutions. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 matrices exercise 3.1. Question number 1. In the matrix A 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? Number of rows by columns. Rows by columns is the order of the matrix, right? Row by column. See, like this only we are writing. This by means we will represent with the symbol into, right? So number of rows. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3. So what is the number of rows? 3. 3 by the number of columns. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Next, the number of elements. Each number is called the elements of the matrix, right? So how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So either you can count or the number of elements means this 3 into 4. What is the answer? 3 into 4? 12, right? So the number of elements equal to, how we can write? 3 into 4 equal to 12 is the number of elements. Either you can count or you can, from the order you can multiply, means you will get the number of the elements. The order of the matrix is row by column only. Next, write the elements A13. So what is this A13? Each element is represented by A. The first one is row, second one is column. This is row, column. In first row, R is 1. That means first row, column 3 element. So this is A11, this is A12, this is A13. First row, this is a column 3. So what is this one? 19. Then element is 19. Next, A21. A21 means second row. Second row is which one? This one. In the first column element. This is a first column, right? So what is the element over here? 35. So A21 is 35. A33. A33 means the row is 3 and column is also 3. What is the third row? This is a third row. Then which one is the third column? 1, 2, 3. This one. That means which one? Minus 5. Minus 5. Next, A24. A24 means second row, fourth column. Second row. This is second row, fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column element is 12. So A24 is 12. Next, A23. Second row, third element. Second row, third element. 1, 2, 3. Third element is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So the order of the matrix is row by column. This representation is first row, next column. Like this we can represent also. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So how many elements? The first case is the matrix has 24 elements. The elements means number. Like this 24 elements are there. So what are the possible orders we can take? So what is the order means what? Order means number of rows by column, right? Order means row by column is the order, right? So when you are multiplying row by column means what we will get? Number of elements you will get. So this 24 we can take the factors. That is the order. So if number of rows is 1, column is 24. 1 by 24. 1 into 24 is 24. So this combination is possible. Okay, next, which one? With the 2. 2 into 2 12s are 24. Correct. 2 into 12 we can take. Next step. If you are taking 3 means 3 8s are 24. 3 into 8. So the order of the matrix is 3 by 8. Then again with the 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 into 6. That means 4 by 6. 4 columns, 6 rows. Number of rows, 4 rows, 6 columns, 4 by 6. 4 into 6 is also 24. That means row by column is the number of elements. When you are multiplying row by column means we will get the number of elements, right? So 4 into 6. Next, 5 into anything is 24. No, right? Again 6. That means the just reverse. 6 by 4. 6 by 4. Again 7. With the 7 is not possible. 8 3s are 24. Next, with the 9 is not possible. 11 is not possible. 12 is possible. 12 1s are, 12 2s are, and next one is the 24 ones. See, this is what is row by column. These both are same, right? But this is row by column. One row, 24 columns. Here it is 24 rows and 1 column. That means both are different. 1 into 24 is 24. 24 into 1 is also 24. But the order is different, correct? This is row by column. This is also row by column. So here the number of rows are 1. Here the number of rows are 24. Like this, everything is different. So how many ways we can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ways we can write. The possible orders means there are 8 orders are there. So like this is 13 elements. If it has 13 elements, we need to write the orders. What are the possible orders? Here also we need to write the orders. Orders means how we will represent row by column. Correct. When you are multiplying row by column means we will get the number of elements. So we can use the factors of 13. What are the factors of 13? 1 by 13 and 13 into 1. So 13 by 1 and 1 by 13. Number of rows 1, number of columns 13, number of rows 13, number of columns 1. There is only 2 possible orders are there. This is the answer. Question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? So if a matrix has 18 elements, we need to find the order. First case is matrix have 18 matrix has 18 elements. We need to write the order. Orders means what? Row by column is the order, right? Row by column. 18 elements means if you are multiplying row into column means we will get number of elements. That means we can just write the factors of 18. That are the orders of the matrix. That means what are the orders we can write? 1 into 18. Next 2 by 9. 1 by 18. 2 by 9. 3 6. 3 6 are 18. Next 4 into is not possible. 5 into is not possible. Over, right? So again just 6 by 3. 9 by 2. 18 by 1. These are the orders of the matrix. This is 1 into 18 is 18. 9 2s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Same only, right? So these are the possible orders of the matrix with the 18 elements. Next, the possible orders we need to write with the 5 elements. 5 elements we are going to write the order. Okay, order is usually how? Row by column. Here 5 elements. If you are multiplying with the row into column means we will get number of elements. Just write the factors 1 by 5, 5 by 1. So these are the 2 possible orders of the matrix with the 5 elements. 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. Question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij whose elements are given Aij equal to I plus j the whole square by 2. Using this one we need to find the elements. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 means what? Number of rows equal to 2, number of columns equal to 2. So how we can write this matrix? A equal to, the matrix is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. A11, A12. Next one is second row means A21, A22. So this is the matrix, right? Aij. I is the row, j is the column. So like this we can write. This is the 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. This is the matrix. So using this equation, we need to find the value. So here we can substitute Aij. That means for A11. A11 means how we can find out? Instead of I is 1, j is 1. That means 1 plus 1, the whole square by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is how much? 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Next, A12. A12 means I plus j. That means 1 plus 3, the whole square by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Correct. Next, A21. Sorry, this is A12, right? So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Next A21. That means 2 plus 1, the whole square by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2. Next A22. A22 means 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is how much? 8. So now we can write the values over here. This is a matrix, right? Equal to A11 is 2. A12 is 9 by 2. A21 is 9 by 2. A22 is 8. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. This is the answer. Like this we can find out the values. Fourth one, A equal to A by J. Aij is a 2 by 2 matrix. The elements is Aij equal to I by J. Using this one we need to find the elements. Correct. So 2 by 2 matrix means how we can write A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, right? So this one Aij equal to I by J. That means each element we are going to find out. A11. A11 equal to I by J means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Next A12. A12 is I is 1, J is 2. 1 by 2. Next A21. A21 is 2 by 1. A22. A22 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Now we got all the values, right? Here we can substitute the values. So this matrix A equal to A11 is 1. A12 is 1 by 2. 1, 1 by 2. Next 2 by 1 is 2 and 1. This is a matrix. Next Aij equal to I plus 2j by 2 the whole square. So like this is a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, right? So each value we can find out first. A11. A11 equal to I is 1 plus 2j, 2 into 1. 2 by 2 the whole square. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 square is 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. 9 by 4. Next one is I plus 2j the whole square by 2 only. Sorry. The whole square is only for the top portion, not for the down. So 9 by 2. Next A12. A12 equal to I is 1 plus j is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. The whole square by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. 25 by 2. Next A21. A21 is equal to I is 2 plus 2j. 2 into 1 is 2 by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8. Next A22. A22 means 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4. The whole square by 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36 by 2. 36 by 2 is 18. So we can write the matrix. A equal to A11. A11 is 9 by 2. 25 by 2. 8. 18. This is the required matrix. Question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j. So 3 by 4 matrix. So that matrix how we can write? 3 by 4 means the number 3 rows 4 columns, right? So the required matrix in the form of 3 rows means A11, A12, A13, column is 4 till 4. A14. Next A21, A22, A23, A24, and third row is A31, A32, A33, A34. This is the required matrix 4. So each element we need to find A11, A12, like that everything we need to find out, correct? So A11 equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus j is 1. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, correct? So mod minus 2 means what is answer? 2 only. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. Next A12. A12 equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into I is 1. So minus 3 plus J is 2. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Mod minus 1 means 1. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next A13. A13 is 1 by 2 minus mod minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3 plus J. J is 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Next A14. A14 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Mod 1 is 1. So equal to how much? 1 by 2. Next A21. A21 equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus J is 1. That means 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. That means 5 by 2. Mod minus 5 means without symbol we need to take 5 by 2. Next A22 equal to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2. That means 1 by 2 mod minus 4. That means 1 by 2 into 4. Cancel, we will get 2. So A23 equal to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3. So 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Mod minus 3 is 3. That means we will get 3 by 2. A24 equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 6 plus 4. 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Mod minus 2 is 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. We will get 1. Next A31. A31 equal to 1 by 2 minus 3i. So 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus j is 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Mod minus 8 is 8. That means 4 you will get. A32 equal to 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 2. That means 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Mod minus 7 is 7. So we will get 7 by 2. And A33 equal to 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 3. That means 1 by 2 into minus 6. Mod minus 6 is 6. So 6 and 2 will cancel. We will get 3. A34 equal to 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4. So 1 by 2 into 5. That means 5 by 2. So the required matrix we can write. Therefore, matrix equal to A11, that is 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Next one is 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1. Next is 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. This is the required matrix. 3 by 4 matrix. So again we can write the matrix equal to 3 by 4 means 3 rows, 4 columns. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. 3 rows, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a required matrix. Aij equal to 2i minus j. So each element we can find out. A11 equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus j. J is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, A12 equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Next, A13. A13 equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next, A14 equal to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Next, A21. A21 equal to 2i, that is 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. A22 equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. A23 equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. A24 equal to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Next, A31 equal to 3 into 2 into 3 is 6 minus J is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. A32, that means 6 minus 2 equal to 4. A33 equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. A34 equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Therefore, the matrix we can write. Now we know each element, so the matrix we can write. First row is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Second one is 3, 2, 1, 0. And third row is 5, 4, 3, 2. This is a matrix. 3 by 4 matrix. Find the value of x, y and z from the following equation. First one. 4, 3, x, 5. 4, 3, x, y matrix equal to y, z, 1, 5. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2, right? 2 rows, 2 columns. So what is the order of this matrix? This is also 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. So what we know that if two matrices of same order means what we can say corresponding elements are equal, right? If two matrices have same order, this is also 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. So what we can do, the corresponding elements are equal. So what is the first element over here? 4, right? So what is the first element of the second matrix? Y. So what is the value of y? Y equal to 4 because these both are same. Corresponding elements are equal. Y equal to 4. Before that you need to write. Here the two matrices have same order 2 by 2. Therefore corresponding elements are equal. So y equal to 4. So what is the value of z? Z is 3, right? So the value of z equal to 3 and the value of x equal to 1. X equal to 1 we can write. If two matrices have same order, we can say that the corresponding elements are equal. Here the two matrices are 2 by 2, so we can equate the corresponding elements. Second one. X plus y, 5 plus z, 2. XY, 6, 2. 5, 8. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 rows, 2 columns. This is also 2 rows, 2 columns. So what is order? 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So the two matrices have same order 2 by 2. So what we can say corresponding elements are equal. Here also we can apply, right? So what we can write here? Here x plus y equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6. This 2 and 2 are equal. 5 plus z equal to 5. 5 plus z equal to 5. So what is the value of z? Z equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0 we can take, right? So the value of z is equal to 0. Next xy equal to 8 also we will get. So we got the value of only z. So solving this equation we are going to find the value of x and y. So here what is the value? From here we can write y equal to, therefore y equal to what? 8 by x, right? So this one we can take it as equation number 1. Substitute y in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? X plus y. Instead of y I can write 8 by x. 8 by x equal to 6. So this one we can cross multiply. X into x is x square plus 8. The whole divided by x equal to 6. The whole divided by x means this becomes shifting means 6x, right? So x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. With the sum and product, we can simplify this equation. That means we can find the value of x, y and z. For here, product is 8, sum is minus 6. So what are the numbers? 4 into 2 is 8. The product is plus means both are minus symbol, right? 4 into 2 is 8, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So what are the number? Minus 4, minus 2. Using this, we can split this one. That means x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. From here we can take x as common. What is remaining? X minus 4. From these two terms I can take minus 2 as common. So what is remaining? Minus become plus. X by 2 is minus 4 equal to 0. That means again x minus 4 is common. Remaining is x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. X have two values. Either x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. So using this value, we are going to find the value of y. If x equal to 4, what is the value of y? 8 by x. That means 8 by 4 equal to 2. Next one, if x equal to 2, the value of y is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 equal to 4. So therefore, we need to find the value of x, y, z, right? So therefore, x equal to 4. If x equal to 4, what is the value of y? Y equal to 2 and z value is always constant only. That means z equal to 0 or x equal to 2. That time y value is 4 and z equal to 0. This is the answer. Question number 7. Find the value of a, b, c, d from the equation a minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. So this is a matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means number of rows is 2, number of columns is also 2. Here also this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So from here it is clear that if two matrices of same order means what we can say that the corresponding elements are equal, correct? Here two matrices of same order, therefore their corresponding elements are equal, we can write. Elements are equal. That means a minus b equal to which one? Minus 1. A minus b equal to minus 1. 2a plus c equal to 15. 2a plus c equal to, so 2a plus c equal to 5. 2a minus b equal to 0. 2a minus b equal to 0. 3c plus d equal to 13. So like this we will get three equations. Equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you are simplifying these four equations, we will get the value of a, b, c and d, correct? So see this one, this is also in terms of a and b, this is also in terms of a and b, right? So this is minus b, minus b. So when we are subtracting this, 1 minus 2 means what will happen? This minus b, minus minus become plus. That means this become cancelled, right? So we can do 3 minus 1. Equation 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2a minus a is a, minus b minus minus b. That means minus b plus b equal to 0, right? This become cancel, equal to 0 minus minus 1. Minus minus plus. That means we will get the value of a equal to 1. If a equal to 1 means substituting the value of a in equation number 1 means we can find the value of b, right? Substitute a equal to 1 in equation number 1. That means 1 minus b equal to minus 1. So minus b equal to, this one we are shifting means minus 1, minus 1. That means minus b equal to minus 2. Therefore, b equal to 2. Now we will get the value of this a and b. So what are the remaining equation? 2a plus c and 3c plus d is there, right? So here I can substitute the value of a. From here I can find the value of c, right? Substitute again. Substitute a equal to 1 in equation number 2. That means 2 into 1 is 2 plus C equal to 5. So C equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. That means C equal to 3 we will get. In the fourth equation, I can substitute the value of C. From here, I can find the value of D, right? So substitute C equal to 3. Substitute C equal to 3 in equation number 4. That means 3C. That means 3 into 3 is 9 plus D equal to 13. So D equal to 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So what we can write? Therefore, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D equal to 4. These are the values of A, B, C and D. Question number 8. A equal to Aij m by n is a square matrix. Square matrix means what? This m and n should be equal, right? Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So what is the value? M less than n, m greater than n or m equal to n. If it is a square matrix means the number of columns is same as number of rows. That means m equal to n. For square matrix, what is the option? M equal to n. Correct. Question number 9. Which of the given values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal? That means we need to find the value of x and y. So here the two matrices are, this is 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. So corresponding elements are equal, right? So here we can find the value of x and y. 3x plus 7 equal to 0, corresponding element. So 3x equal to 0 minus 7 is minus 7. So x equal to minus 7 by 3. X equal to minus 7 by 3. Any option is there? Not there. Anyway, we can find the value of y also. Y plus 1 equal to 8, right? Y plus 1 equal to 8. So y equal to 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Y equal to 7. Y equal to 7, one option is there. Okay, then this one also we can check. 5 equal to y minus 2. So y equal to, this one we are shifting means 5 plus 2 is 7. There also we are getting the value of y equal to 7. For x, one more equation is there, right? 2 minus 3x equal to 4. If you are shifting, this one means minus 3x equal to 4 minus 2. That is x equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by minus 3. That means minus 2 by 3. So x value, one x value we got it as minus 7 by 3. Here we got minus 2 by 3 and 7. Correct. So on solving, x is not unique. X have different values, right? Minus 7 by 3, minus 2 by 3. But the y value is same only. So x is not different. So x has two values over this equation. So what we can write? Not possible to find the values, right? So the no value. From here, no value will make the two matrices same. So not possible to find the values. Question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. 3 by 3 matrices with entry is 0 or 1. So 3 by 3 matrix means what is that one? Order, right? Order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So the order is 3 by 3 means what we can find? Number of elements, correct? Number of elements equal to 3 into 3, 9 we can write. So there should be 9 elements are there. So each entry is either 0 or 1 it is given. So total number of prematuration of each element, what we can take? 2 we can take. That means 0 or 1. Each entry is 0 or 1. Each entry is 1 means how many different elements are there? Only 2. Either 0 is there or 1 is there. Correct. That means prematuration of each element equal to how much is there? 2. So what we can find? The total how many elements are there? 2. So how we can find this value? 2 power. So what is the different elements are there? 0 and 1. Prematuration of element. So there are 0 and 1 means total number of prematuration of each element is how much? 2. Total prematuration of 9 elements we are going to find out. That means 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 2 into 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 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 until here it is 32, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 32 into 8, 256 into 2, 512. So what is the answer? 512.